Welcome back to Chicago Car Club. My name is Mike. Today I'm going to be taking you around this 1964 Chevy II Nova SS. This is a true SS Sport Coupe. We're going to take you around, get you comfortable with the car, show you everything that we can so that you can make a confident purchasing decision on it. As always, we encourage you to reach out, call or text anytime with questions, comments, concerns, or if you'd like to do a FaceTime with us or anything, at 312-420-3696. This is a super cool car. We've got about $4,500 in recent service work done to it, which you can see in our write-up. Mechanically very sound. This is a upgraded, modified, if you will, car. It's got some aftermarket components on it, which you see. The engine is a 350, non-numbers matching. It's got a 4-speed floor shift in it, and it rips. It really makes great power. Positraction, 10-bolt rear end, all the goodies in it. It shows really nicely. It's got some imperfections on it, which we'll show you as we get around. A couple little spots here and there on lower edges with some blistering. Got a good set of tires on it. Rally wheels with duty rings and centers. Bumpers look good on it. Couple little blemishes here and there, as we'll show you. But all in all, the car is nice and straight. No issues on the underside. Only where they made room for the 4-speed manual transmission to cut the tunnel. I'd give the paint work about a B+. It's not perfect. It was done, I would say, 10 to 15 years ago from what we can see. Point out any of the spots, we see a couple little blisters here and there. Again, we've never seen a perfect classic car before, so it's important that we set the expectation correct. As always, we hope to meet or exceed the expectation, but we're full transparency here. We want to point everything out that we see. We don't want something showing up at your door that doesn't meet your expectation. Headlights, taillights, brake lights, all functioning. Turn signal, it's got a new turn signal switch in it, but the signals are not hooked up right now. So a couple little loose ends to tidy up for somebody. The interior is complete, but again, a little bit of TLC on the inside would go a long way on this car. A couple little drips there, clear coat. You see some paint popping there on the rocker. But the panel fitment's good throughout. As you can see, the doors open and close nicely. Everything seems to line up well. And all in all, the car is super solid. I really love the body style of this car. I especially like it with the air adjust shocks on the rear. You can get a little bit of rake in the car. It looks cool. As you can see, the seats are in nice shape. Interior shows really well. A couple little, again, loose ends hanging around in there that can be tidied up. Back around to the driver's side, much of the same here. Windows all roll up and down. It's a power brake car. It's got a new booster in it, a lot of new brake components, a lot of service work done on the car. All fluids and everything has been flushed and changed. New coolant, hoses and belts replaced as needed, spark plugs, kind of the whole gamut. Non-power steering, but totally manageable, not a very heavy car. Show you under the hood here. It's got an MSD total loss, a bunch of little chrome upgrade parts, nice valve covers, 4-barrel carb, MSD ignition again. It's got some snot to it. We'll get it on the road here, cruise it around, show you inside the trunk. Nice speckled paint everywhere. Again, some of the taillights wiring is a little loose, as you can see. Has quarter panels installed on it. They're not the original quarters, they were replaced. And on the road, you can see this thing's got some grunt to it. It will lay rubber. Shifts really well. The clutch feels great. Got a pretty heavy duty clutch feel in it. Nice short throw shifting. Fun to bang the gears in. Track's nice and straight going down the road. Nice and confident under braking. It's got a slight pullable left, but that would just be backing off the left front drum adjuster. It's got all new wheel cylinders throughout, brake fluid, a lot of new brake lines on it. So very confident driver. A couple little suspension rattles here and there when slow and turning all the way, but that's just, a lot of that goes into the geometry of the front end on these cars. But it gets down the road nice. It's very confidence inspiring to drive. It's a lot of fun to rip around in. Blower motor works. I believe the radio is not currently functioning, although I might just not know how to turn it on. Wipers work. We'll get it up in the air here and show you around. And again, we always encourage you to reach out, call, or text us anytime at 312-420-3696. 312-420-3696. Again, a couple little blistering under the paint in a couple spots there. Underside's recently been painted and detailed, looks great. Again, new filters, new fluids, all sorts of mechanical service was recently done with this. We've got all the parts receipts for it. Nice set of aftermarket headers on it. True dual exhaust front to back. Transmission's nicely painted black in the bell housing. And as you can see, all the body mount points are nice and solid. Again, we look forward to speaking with you. Thank you for watching.